drop a like if you like our video. Sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I miss a video. Also, make us 20,000 subscribers. So let's go open the genuine. I have two more of these are upstairs in my room. This is the newer one. I got it like this. So this is the packaging. So you can smell it, but this is it. It smells really good. I think I got a grape one and a banana one upstairs, but this one smells good. Oh yeah, that's strawberry smell. So it's a strawberry smell. Here's a little hanger. There's a pretty one that I'll show you in another video. What's up? We got a little package. This is the toy. You should open it last. Let's open the mini package first. Let's see what kind of stickers. Let's see what you get. Ooh! Oh my goodness! It's a friend of Bunny. Look at that. They're both bubblegum anyway. So there's two. Now I'm going to open these. Let's stick it to this. Okay. I see something. I see ears. Guess what kind of animals? Okay. Oh my goodness! That's so cute! Oh my goodness, it is so bumpy. Anyway, let's go. So now we're gonna put the sticker in, which is so nice. I'm gonna put this maybe the poster inside. I guess it can be a decoration here, but I think I'll put it here. So this is my very first poster. I'll put this. Okay, this is a short video. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And this is, but this works, okay, when you go like this, it's like a keychain. So, and then you put the little sheet, like a keychain. It's pretty cool. And this is all. I have the very last Pikmi Pops. There are only 4, so I got this. So let's go open it. Let's see. This is the very last one. It's a kitty cat. This is the last one. I have another one. Okay, put it in the sheet. This is the very last one. Oh, I see it. First we pull out. Ooh. Okay, this doesn't look good. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. It has one, two. Let's open the small one. What do we get? Some stickers. If you see, there's stickers. It's like the same ones. Okay. So let's go open our surprise. Surprise. What's this thing gonna look like? I'll get the scissors for a second. Wait, guys. So guys, mommy actually cut the cliff. Well, so let's go see what we get. What does the kitty look like? It's a butt. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect it to be this cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what do they do. They're like some school supplies and like some things. I do have stickers to put on, so I'm gonna put them right now. So first, then pull. Oh, it break. Oh no. Okay, so you have to be very careful. These little bits. Okay. Just like that. So I have like a fringe. And then we can put the logo in the back. Pikmi Pops. Then there's gonna be like the character, because you can see. And then you have to put this. So we're going to put it here. Here, we're gonna put this here. And then put the kitty. And we can put some strawberries all around. Maybe we can put them inside so that they can have food. Line up properly. I'm just gonna put the raspberry, strawberry, grape, another strawberry, another strawberry, cherry. So it's all mixed and it's ready already. So it's all ready. So guys, I'm gonna show you the basic one. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. So we got our bracelet. It like has some raspberries. It's like detailed. It makes sound. And here's the kitty when it's on. Here it is. And it's very pink. It's a rainbow kitty and it has blue fur. It's all blue right now. It's cute face. And before we end this video, I'm going to show you all of mine. So the ones I vlogged and the ones I didn't. So guys, this is one by one. So first, I pulled up this sheep. It's a baby pink color. It has blue ears. And you can see there's a hanger and it's pink and it's a strawberry. And the little handle is like a keychain. It's green. It's like a teal green. I don't know. And then the sheep has a baby pink fur and it has like some tail ears. It's got cute blush and it's all white and her eyes are so cute. Let's go to the next one. Next one, we're going all for pink, then the blue and yellow for last. So before we do the next one, I'm going to show you the container I have for the sheep. So this is the container I have for the sheep. It has a big sticker, and it's hot pink, and it's like purple color. Like a hot pink, and then there's a cute sticker. Look at that. And then this is like a purple pinky color. I don't know. It has you can see, but that's the Pikmi Pop logo. Okay, so this is the next one. We have a bunny. So I want to show you the hanger first. So this is the hanger. It's a grape color. It's a grape and it's purple. And then it has this leaf keychain. So it's very cute, just like the other one. So this is the bunny. You can actually move her ears back and forth. You can move both of these ears, and it's hot pink. It has like some yellow, like purple, green, blue, another blue, and it got some cute eyes and cute little cheeky cheeks. You can see this is yellow. This is yellow, purple, green, and then blue, and another blue. It's very cute. Okay, the next one, and I'll go show the container which I decorate. So this is the container I decorate. As you can see, it's like has like a little bunny, and there's so many fruits in the front, and there's a Pikmi Pop logo here, a sticker, and this is the real one with like sculpted, and then you already see this kitty, as you can see. Okay, it's very cute. And then, well, we have a bear or monkey. I don't know. What is this? I guess it's a monkey because it has a tail. It has a long tail, as you can see. So this is the bracelet. It's yellow and it's very cute. It's like it looks like an earring. Okay, now this is the monkey. It has a big banana in his head. He has cute yellow ears. The back is yellow, and then the back is yellow, as you can see. And then here's the little bear, like a monkey. I forgot. And then this is like, so it's like it has like these leopard prints, and it has like green, yellow, pink, purple, then again pink and yellow. So that's pretty cute. And it's so cute, and has white hair, and then there's two cute eyes. I did review this a lot, but so this is fun today. Put this back. And I'm going to show you the container that comes with here. This is the container. It's light blue, and it's like a purple here or pink. I don't know. And I put some stickers. This is like a monkey and some fruits. As you can see, there's a kitty. You see? Okay. Just like that. Oh, it's holding a berry, and then look, there is a grape inside. Grape. And then I did review this. If you forgot, I'm just gonna show you again. So I want to show you the handle. This is the handle. It has speckles or like details, and it looks like a rock. It's berries. It's like a maroon pinkish color, but it's very cute. So guys, it's light blue, and then you see it's light blue. It's a kitty cat, and it has like some like dots. There's like purple, yellow, and there's one purple dot, a yellow dot, and an orange dot, a purple dot, another yellow, another purple dot, another yellow dot, and well, this ends like before we leave this end this video. I'm gonna write this and the end of the video. Okay. Well, this is the container I just showed you a while ago, but if you don't remember, I'm just gonna show you again. So this is the container. It has the Pikmi Pop's logo sculpted, and there's like a kitty. There's the kitty you saw. and there's like a Pikmi Pops logo. And if we go inside, you can see like there's like the bunny you saw. There's a cherry and a strawberry, a grape, and a grape and another strawberry and a berry. That's pretty cool. And if you see in the back, you see a sticker of this logo, Pikmi Pop logo. Here we go. There it is. There's the sticker, and then this is her. So guys, I wear all this stuff. Here's the glitter ones, and then there's the regular ones, and these are so cute. Guys, if you ever have these or have these in McDonald's, make sure to drop a like and also hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can have a shout out in the next video. Also, maybe you can go to my Instagram account, then you can see my pictures, and you can also chat in my Instagram account, and then also ask me if you want more videos, and also if you want these Pikmi Pops, you can also buy these in McDonald's. Just chat me if you have these. I'll give you a shout out in the next video. So bye guys. Bye. Say bye, mommy. She's doing a video.